Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to take a look inside of a cylinder. We're basically using a borescope. There are a wide variety out there that plug into your phone, allow you to take the pictures like this, and we're going to share these with you and tell you what we're seeing inside the cylinder, so stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, if you go to Amazon really quickly, you can find the borescopes. Now, this is the cheaper of the two. This is the one that we use in the shop, but they have the much more elegant version here, which is for turbines and other stuff. So you can decide what you want to spend, $250, $800. But now let's take a look at some of the advantages of the articulating borescope. Now that we have a borescope that we're going to use, let's take a look. And we always start by looking on the bossing on the engine case. So here we take a picture of cylinder number 1, and then we're going to take a picture of the intake and the exhaust valve, so we can look at them both and we have a record for the aircraft. And then finally we take a look down the side of the wall of the cylinder to see if we have any anomalies going on with the piston rings. And then we move on to cylinder number 2. We usually do them in order 1, 2, 3, and 4, or 1, 3, 2, and 4. But again, we're looking at the valves, seeing are they missing any pieces? Are there any unusual buildup? Is there any problem with the seat? And we do that for all of the cylinders of the airplane. And then again, these get saved digitally so they can go into the owner's copies of his record, so he's got a record of what his cylinders look like at the tack time that these were taking. But then again, we've just worked down all 4 cylinders. Now, one thing that we noticed looking at these pictures, and these are from a test aircraft, is you'll notice that it looks like they've been using auto fuel. You can see the residual on the, and as well as number 4 is the most lean of all the cylinders that this airplane is running. So a borescope can tell you what's going on inside your cylinder. It's a non-intrusive investigation. It's a very useful tool. So again, go to Amazon, buy one, hook it up to your phone, and take pictures inside your airplane. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.